If your iPhone is dangerously hot to touch or giving you a temperature warning, you need to cool it down immediately. Here's exactly how to fix it right now. Step 1. Kill the background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and close out of every single app to instantly stop background processing. Step 2. Fix your display settings. A maxed out screen drains your battery and generates massive heat. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text. Scroll down to the very bottom and toggle on Auto Brightness. Step 3. Track down the culprit. Go back to your main settings, tap on Battery, scroll down to check your battery usage. This shows you exactly which apps are working the hardest. Step 4. Throttle the processor. While you're in the battery settings, turn on low power mode. Step 5. Check your charger. If you're outside or in a hot room, swap that fast charger out for a standard low power 5-watt block. Step 6. The forced restart. Press volume up, volume down, and press and hold the side power button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Your phone system is now reset and should start cooling down immediately. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.